Hello and welcome back to another video from Affiliate Marketing Money. Today we're going to tell you how to start your own business in 2020 without investing. It's an affiliate marketing opportunity. Don't miss out. Check it out. Let's get started. Step one is to define what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is the process of selling someone else's product and earning a commission on it. So basically, through affiliate marketing, we get the opportunity of taking someone's product and we offer it to people, and anytime we sell that product, we make a commission. There is no simpler way to explain it. We sell other people's products and we make a commission. We also have the opportunity of sell our own product, and then other people can sell it, but that's not what we're here for. We're trying to make money. We're trying to make money quick. We're not trying to invest in creating a product. We're trying to sell someone else's product so that we can make money as well. And affiliate marketing is the way to do so. It's very simple to sign up. It's free to sign up, which is the best part about it. So now that we know what affiliate marketing is, let's go to step two, which is signing up to all of these affiliate marketing web pages. Now, why do we know affiliate marketing is a viable option to make money in 2020? Because of everything that's happening right now. Everybody's in their house, people are not going to stores, and everybody's ordering more stuff online. And if you don't believe me, check out how much money Jeff Bezos made this year, right? So people are buying stuff online, and it's definitely worth to start signing up to these web pages. Some of the web pages are ClickBank. ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace that has a ton of really great products, and it has a ton of really great information that will tell you if a product is good to sell or not. And you could make a lot of money offering their products. You also have web pages like CJ Affiliates. You have web pages like ShareASell. ShareASell is a great web page. You can check all of their categories and all of their merchants, and it's great to start your affiliate marketing business. So step two is signing up to all of these, and it doesn't only stop on these ones, because you also have Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is a web page where you can sign up and you can start selling Amazon products. So if you've ever bought a product from Amazon, if you've ever clicked on an Amazon ad, then you might have made someone else money through affiliate marketing. Whenever someone clicks on your personalized link, that person, if they buy that product during a certain amount of time, then you or the person who shared that link will make money. With some web pages, the time is longer than others. So for example, ClickBank gives you up to 30 days and Amazon gives you up to 10 days. But the cool thing is that even after 10 days, like on day 8, if I finally decide I want to go and buy that thing I wanted to buy from Amazon that I saw on that ad, if I bought it without clicking on the link, but I already clicked on it 8 days ago, that person would still make money. So that's the cool thing about it. It doesn't have to be right at that moment. If people click on it and they buy it later, you might still make money. So this is why affiliate marketing is a great opportunity to start a business in 2020. Now, you might be thinking, yeah, but where do I post this link? How do I share it? And that's step number 3. Step number 3 is to share that link in social media. Social media is going to be the keyword here, because social media has so much traffic. Now, what do I mean by social media? I mean Facebook, I mean Instagram, I mean YouTube, right? Any place that has a lot of traffic over the internet, even creating your own blog, even creating your own web page, right? Any of these examples could have a lot of traffic, and that traffic creates clicks, and those clicks create sales, and those sales make you money. And the coolest part about it is that then you are going to be making money while you sleep. People are buying stuff while you're sleeping. You don't have to be actively posting that link over and over and over and over again. You can just post it a couple of times. If you want to invest, even though it's not necessary at all, you can maybe pay for a Facebook ad, pay for YouTube ads, and share that link. And once you share that link and people click on it and buy it, you are going to be making money. This is called passive income. Passive income is the process of making money even while you're not working, not actively working, but making money just by having invested time and effort on something like posting links online. So these are the 3 steps to creating a business in 2020. Now, remember, this is a very viable and growable business because a lot of people are buying stuff online. And if you want to grow even more, if you want to take this to the next level and really get started with this business, if you want to take the example of Jeff Bezos and start selling online, you should join the Affiliates Club. The Affiliates Club is a private club that specializes in joining or connecting business owners, course creators, and people who have products for affiliate marketing and affiliate marketers. Once they get connected, they can help each other and grow together and help each other make more sales and earn more money. Now, if you don't believe it, check Andy's Isom story. If you go to here to this button right here and you click on it, you can take his free masterclass where he'll tell you how he earned over $45,000 last year in affiliate marketing. So you don't have to believe me. You don't have to believe other YouTubers out there. You can take that free masterclass and you can learn for yourself how he made that much money during a year with affiliate marketing. Finally, make sure to check it out. Make sure to sign up to Affiliates Club. Make sure you sign up to affiliate marketplaces. Make sure you're sharing those links so you can start earning money and you can have a side income, or maybe it could become your main source of income from now on, right? So make sure you get it checked out because it's definitely a great opportunity for 2020 and definitely something that could make you a lot of money. Thank you very much for watching. We appreciate you very much and we hope that you liked our video. We hope that this was helpful to you. If you liked our video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and turn on the notifications. That will help you a lot because we're constantly uploading new videos and new ways to make money online. So if you want to learn more ways to make money online, stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching and we'll see you later.